Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com like always, and in this video we're going to be going into the rapid fire questions. This is going to be number 15. My name is Johnathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. Alright, so y'all know how we do it. Y'all ask the questions, I come in and answer them for you if I can. But again, I don't know everything. I just try to share what I do know. So we're going to go through these questions. Usually we get 5 to 6 questions, or sometimes 8, whatever. We'll just go through and grab some questions and answer them for people. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to get started with Dryston Pollard. Rapid fire question. Hey JP, what size amp would you recommend to run on my two 10-inch audio? You actually put 10-foot audio pipe subs, but I know what you mean. That push 1200 watts put together. I would personally get the Down for Sound JP23 amplifier. It'd be perfect for that, and it would give you room to grow if you would like to get some better subs sometime in the future. But that would be a great start for you. That amplifier is $349, so it's budget friendly as well. So be sure to check it out, and it has all the bells and whistles, so check that out. Coming up next, we got Ernesto Romo. Hey JP, quick question. When adding a secondary battery in the trunk of a car, is it required to add a battery isolator? Under the hood is a stock battery. In the trunk, there's an excess power D925. So you don't have to, is the short answer to that. Some people like to, because for two reasons. You're separating, say your front battery is an older battery, you say it's 5 years old, and you just wanted to add a supplemental battery in the back, like the excess power D925. So you would be mixing old battery with a brand new battery, so you could be bringing the new battery down a little bit, if you will. So with an isolator, they're only going to be hooked together when the vehicle is on and the alternator is charging, so it's going to be a lot less likely to have any drain off of your front battery being older. And then also, if you go to play your system, like say you take it to a party or whatever, then you just turn the key forward. Well, you would want to make sure, in this case, you would want to make sure that only the back battery is playing, or is playing off the back battery, so that way if the back battery goes dead, you could turn your key forward and it would hook the batteries together, and it would kind of boost your car off, and you'd be able to go home instead of being stranded there. So two different ways there, but me personally, I probably wouldn't. I would just hook them together. All right, next question. Audio _ intentions. Question: I have an excess power super bank for the back of my Honda CR-V. Can I use your LTO battery for under the hood? I remember you said in one of your videos you can't mix two different batteries, but I need the under hood one. Let's see what people said. Pittsburgh 412 said the LTO 6.0 cannot go under the hood. That is correct. So a lot of these questions that are being asked, if you just read the description of the product, it literally says in there, you cannot use this under the hood or underneath the vehicle. It's only to be used inside of the vehicle in the back, like so. But anyway, no, you cannot use the LTO 6.0 under the hood. If you're going to do anything, put the super cap under the hood and put the LTO 6.0 in the back, or the if you're getting confused with the new JP40 we came out with, that's LFP chemistry. So anyway, but both of our lithium batteries are to be put inside the vehicle, so do not put those under the hood. Put the super cap under the hood. All right, next question. Chicken Feet 1000. All right, Down for Sound rapid fire question. I have 412 Sundown SA-V2s in a 4th order box, and it sounds great. My issue is I want to upgrade to the U series 12s, but I'm concerned with airspace hurting the new speakers. Side note, I understand the box has to be built slightly smaller than spec because of the equipment I had to use big AMG battery and 2 Hyponic Zeus series amps. Switched out to Terrance 2 5Ks and Limitless Lithium 12K battery, Neckman 370 oscillator. Well, you're in luck, because the Sundown SA-V2s and the Sundown U series require the same box specs, so you'll be able to swap those out as long as you have enough. I think the U series is a little bit deeper, so as long as you have enough depth to cover that, then you'll be able to swap the subs out with no issues there. You'll be perfectly fine there. So you got lucky. Because if you're going from a, say, an SAV2 series to an X series, then that wouldn't work. That'd be a problem because the X series needs a lot bigger enclosure and different tuning as well. Totally different subwoofer. All right, next up is King Jellybean. All right, he says, I currently have a XV312 paired to a JP23. Was going to strap 2 JP23s and either run 2 XV312s or a Nightshade 15 or a Defbox 4515. What do you think would sound the best? Would one of those 15s have better lows than 2 XV312s? Honestly, since you already have an XV312, I would just get another XV312 and another JP23 and strap those together and call it a day. It'd be slapping. But anyway, that's gonna finish up our rapid fire questions segment this week. Again, this is number 15. If you have any questions pertaining to car audio, all you have to do is ask them in the comment section below. And if we see them and we haven't answered them 32 times already, we'll answer them again, or we'll answer them for the first time. Appreciate y'all's support. Don't forget about the down for sale difference guaranteed, lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. And we have 4 different types of same as cash financing on the website. You can't really see it on my shirt, but it's under the financing tab on the website, or you can click in the description of this video and check out the financing options there. Appreciate your support. See you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.